What if I told you that with just 3 ingredients in your kitchen, you can transform your hair in less than 30 days? Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make this powerful hair growth treatment to help you grow your hair. Now, we will start with the first ingredient, which is fenugreek seeds. I have been using fenugreek seeds in my hair care routine. I don't like to skip them anytime I'm making hair growth sprays, and I make sure to use them 2 to 3 times a week. And my hair has been stronger since the time I started using them. Now, if you want to increase hair thickness, you want to strengthen your hair and to stop excessive hair fall and excessive breakage, these seeds are very powerful and amazing. They contain protein, which is helpful for strengthening your hair and making it more stronger. If you have weak hair strands, your hair is breaking a lot, you experience excessive breakage when detangling your hair or when washing your hair, these seeds will help to control that in a short period of time. I'm going to be using this mason jar here. It's a 1 liter jar, and I'm going to be adding fenugreek seeds in there. I'm using 2 tablespoons. Just feel free to use any quantity depending on the amount of treatment you want to make or depending on how long you want your treatment to last. I'm going to be adding rosemary to the recipe. Rosemary is another powerful ingredient that you can introduce to your hair if you experience excessive hair fall, you want to increase hair thickness, to stop baldness and hair thinning. This powerful ingredient has helped me to grow my hair faster than ever before. My hair doesn't fall as it used to, and my hair is increasing in thickness. These powerful herbs are very amazing. You need to introduce them to your hair care routine, and you will be amazed with the result. You can use fresh rosemary if you have, and if you don't have, feel free to use dried rosemary. Rosemary is a powerhouse of antifungal and antibacterial properties. So if you struggle with excessive dandruff, you have flaky scalp and scalp itchiness, then including rosemary to your hair care routine will help to control all that. Right now, I'm going to transfer rosemary to the mason jar, and I'll use 2 tablespoons just like fenugreek seeds. Moving on to the next ingredient, I'm going to be adding cloves. Now here is another powerful ingredient that you can introduce to your hair and can help to control all the hair problems that you have. If you want to increase hair thickness, you want to grow your hair faster, to control excessive hair fall, to stop baldness and to strengthen your hair, then clove is very effective and powerful. You should consider including it to your hair care routine and you will never regret. Cloves contain anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which plays a major role in eliminating scalp issues like dandruff, flakes, and scalp itchiness. So, including clove to your hair care routine will help to control all those problems. Clove can also help to strengthen the hair because it has vitamin K and eugenol, which helps to increase hair thickness and to promote blood circulation to your scalp. So right now I'm going to be adding cloves to the ingredients in the mason jar, and I'm gonna add all of it. It's just 1 tablespoon. After adding all the ingredients to the jar, now I'm going to use about 1.5 cup of hot water. And mark this, I like to use hot water all the time whenever I'm making hair growth treatment and whenever I'm infusing them. You can also use cold water if you're not in a hurry, but I do like to use hot water all the time, even if I'm in a hurry or not, because it helps to infuse them faster. Now I'm gonna cover them and I will leave them to infuse for about 8 hours. Today I'm not going to infuse them for longer. So guys, this is after 8 hours of infusion. You can see how amazing the treatment is looking. The color is looking great, and some of the ingredients settled at the bottom of the jar, which means that the infusion process took place nicely. I'm going to be straightening out the treatment because that's what we are interested in. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far, and if so, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. And if you are new to this channel, hi, welcome. In this channel I do DIY videos that can help you to grow your hair using natural ingredients, so consider giving this video a like if this is the kind of content you would love to watch. Now this is how the hair growth treatment is looking. Now I'm going to transfer it to an applicator bottle, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I use on my hair. Just stay tuned. Today I will be applying this when my hair is still twisted. I'm not going to take them down. So first I'm going to concentrate on my scalp. I focus on my scalp, spray it, and then I massage a little bit, and then from there I move towards the ends and make sure that each single section is well hydrated and coated with the treatment. This spray is beneficial for the scalp and hair. So before you go to the hair strands, make sure to saturate your scalp and apply in sections if your hair is twisted. If your hair is not twisted, you just need to section your hair and apply in small sections. Then work towards the ends until you make sure that the hair is well coated. So one thing I like to do when I apply this kind of spray is to make sure I massage my scalp a little bit so that the treatment can penetrate on my scalp. It is important to always massage your scalp. Take a few minutes, like 5, and massage the treatment so that it can benefit your scalp. This spray is very beneficial because it contains a powerful ingredient which are beneficial for the scalp, especially if you are struggling with a hair loss, you have bald spots, you have hair thinning, and you have scalp issues like dandruff. Massaging this to your scalp will help to relieve and to stop all those. So that's why it is important to always give some massage. So once you apply this, go ahead and use your leave-in conditioner and then follow up with your hair butter or your favorite oil to seal in that moisture. Remember, this is just watery, so you need to follow up with your moisturizer and then hair butter or oil. This is the method that I have been following. Do not skip that, because if you skip, your hair is going to dry out and you won't like it because it can end up breaking. So we're coming to the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.